Hey guys, Justin here, and today we're going to talk about live streaming. So, if you're a musician and you're not already using live streams, whether it be YouTube Live, Facebook Live, IGTV, any of that stuff, if you're not doing that, then you're missing out on a huge opportunity to connect with your fans, but not only to connect with your fans, but you could be leaving a lot of money on the table as well. So, that's what we're going to talk about in today's video. All right, if you're a musician and you're not taking advantage of live streams, you could be really leaving a lot of money on the table and missing out on a huge opportunity to connect with your fans and grow your fan base. Now, as an independent artist without the backing of a huge record label that's going to spend a lot of money to get your music out in front of, millions of people, your approach to growing your following really has to be fan-centric. And what I mean by that is you really have to focus on connecting with your fans. Because when you have a small fan base, it's a lot easier to start connecting with them and building a relationship with them, interacting with them, than it is when you have a huge following like a big artist like a Katy Perry or a Justin Bieber, Ed Sheeran. So that actually gives you kind of an advantage in a way. Because your audience is small, it makes it a lot easier to interact with them and to connect with them. But also, it's really important that you're doing that because that's how you're going to be able to grow your fan base. If you don't have the money to spend promoting your music to millions of people, your biggest opportunity for growing your fan base is by connecting with the fans that you do have and building a solid relationship so those fans go out and share your music with their friends and support your career and help you grow your fan base. And also, when you have a strong connection with your fans, those fans want to support you. They want to support your music career. So they're willing to spend money on your albums, your merch, and even donations. And doing live streams with your fans is a really great way to connect with them and grow your following. So in this video, I'm going to quickly go over a few things that you can stream. So some ideas of what you can stream, and then also how you can actually monetize that and how you can actually make money with your live streams. But first, you have to choose a platform. And there's a ton of platforms that you can use for live streaming. You got YouTube Live, you got Facebook Live, Instagram TV, Periscope, Twitch, YouNow, just to name a few, and there's plenty more. So choosing which platform you want to use might seem a little overwhelming, but honestly, it's really quite simple. I would recommend just use the platform, whichever platform you are already growing most of your following on, that's what you should be using. So if you're already building your following primarily around YouTube, use YouTube Live. If most of your fans are on Instagram, use IGTV. Now, if you don't have much of a following yet and you really don't know where to start, I shot another video not too long ago to help you figure out which social media platform would be best for you in your specific situation. Because depending on who your target audience is and the type of content that you're creating on a regular basis, you might find that certain social media platforms are actually better for you than others. Generally, I would say Instagram and YouTube are probably the best ones for most musicians. But if you have an older audience, sometimes Facebook could actually be better. And Facebook has a great live streaming feature as well. So if you are just getting started and you want some help determining which social media platform would be best for you to focus your efforts on, I'll link to a video in the description that'll help you determine which platform would be best for you. But if you do already have most of your fan base on one of these platforms, I would recommend using that one for your live streams. I mean, you might as well, your fans are already there, right? It'll be a lot easier to get them to watch. All right, so next you have to decide what to stream. So obviously, some type of live performance. You're a musician, so performing your music would be the number one thing that obviously comes to mind, and that's probably what you'll lean on the most. But there's a lot of different types of performances you could be streaming too. So if you have a live show, you could simply set up your camera, maybe set up a couple cameras and do live streams of your live performance. You could also live stream just a practice session or rehearsal. Or you could just set up your camera on your phone and sit down and do cover requests for your fans. In addition to doing live performances for your fans, you could also just do behind the scenes videos. You can stream, some stuff from backstage before you go on, or maybe after your set, hanging out in the studio, maybe working on a new album. Or you can just, stream some day-to-day life stuff as well. Now, a really great way to connect with your fans is doing Q&As. Sit down and answer some questions for your fans live. So these are just a few ideas. You can get creative. There's a lot of stuff that you can stream. But anytime you have the opportunity to have a one-on-one interaction with any of your fans, that's really going to help you connect with them. And that's really important, especially when you're just getting started. And the cool thing about doing live streams is that you can have what feels like a one-on-one interaction with hundreds or even thousands of people all at the same time. All right, so those are some ideas for what you can stream. Now let's talk about how you actually make money from doing live streams. So the first one and the most simple one is donations. Just ask, believe it or not, people actually do want to support your music career. Your fans want to support you. And I know a lot of musicians have a really hard time with this. They don't like asking for donations. And, a lot of musicians I talk to don't even like to sell their albums. They don't even like to suggest that somebody goes and buys their album or buys a t-shirt. And I get it. As a musician, you're a creative person. And a lot of times artists just simply aren't salespeople and they don't like to, it makes them uncomfortable. So I get it. But what you have to realize is that your fans are fans of you and they want to support you. So you don't have to be pushy about it, but you can simply ask people if they enjoy your content, if they enjoy your live streams, to help support that and keep it going. Maybe just donate $1 or $2. It doesn't have to be a lot, but it can add up if you have a lot of fans. I mean, if you can get a couple hundred fans on all your live streams, ask them for $1, and you have 100 people that donate $1 each time you do a live stream, that's $100, for every live stream that you do. That can really add up. You can also do cover requests. So you can charge people to request cover songs. You can say, hey, donate $5 or donate $10 or whatever, and I'll perform, whatever song you want. You can even sell original compositions. You can record, happy birthday videos for people, stuff like that. You could charge your fans $50, $100 to write an original composition or to sing them a happy birthday song or sing somebody that they know a happy birthday song on a live stream. You could have members-only content. So you can have members-only subscriptions where you have live streams that are available only for people that are donating a certain amount every month. And you can use a platform like Patreon to facilitate that type of thing. You can use affiliate links. So Amazon has an affiliate program, for example. If you're not familiar with affiliate marketing is, and we're not really going to get into that too much here, you can do a little bit of research, but essentially you get paid money for referring people or for referring sales of other products. So Amazon actually has an affiliate program you can sign up for. It's completely free. And you can get affiliate links for, maybe the gear that you're using, the microphone you're using, the guitar that you're playing. And if any of your fans decide that they, want to get that guitar that you have and they purchase it through your affiliate link, you can get paid a commission on that. So that's another way you can make money. You can also do promos and sponsorships, especially if you're on Instagram. It's really huge right now for Instagram influencers to get paid to promote stuff. Brands are paying influencers a lot of money. So if you have a big following on Instagram and you're doing these live streams, you can actually get paid for promotions in your live streams as well. So those are just a few ideas for how you can make some money with your live streams. Now you might be asking, okay, well, say I do want to take donations or I do want to charge people for, cover songs or original compositions. Well, how do I actually get paid? How do they pay me? So probably the easiest way to get paid would be a service called PayPal.me. You probably heard of PayPal. PayPal.me makes it really easy for people to send money directly into your PayPal account. So I'll show you just how easy that is. All right, so first you need to have a PayPal account to use PayPal.me, but it's completely free. All you have to do is go to PayPal.com, click sign up, create your account. Once you have your account, you just go to PayPal.me, and you can click this little button that says create your PayPal.me link. Then you simply enter your PayPal login information, click login. All right, so I've already created mine. If you haven't created yours yet, it's simply going to ask you to create an extension, which would be your URL where people will send money to. I already have mine. So if I go to that, it'll give me the opportunity to share my link and get paid. So if I were to just copy my link and paste it in my browser, this is the link that I could send anybody. I could send it to you, and then you would go to a page that looks like this and just type in the amount that you want to donate. So you could just tell people in your live stream, hey, go to paypal.me/ and then whatever your extension is, ask them if they'd like to donate, send them to this page. Then they have the opportunity to enter any amount in the world that they want to donate to you. Or if you want to charge a specific amount, like let's say that you're charging them for a cover song or something like that, then you would give them your normal link, the paypal.me/ whatever your extension is, and then you simply put / and then a number. So if it was $10, you just say /$10, click enter, and then you'll see it automatically fills $10 in. So it's an incredibly easy way to get paid. It's free to set up. If you already have a PayPal account, it doesn't take but a minute to get your paypal.me account set up. And it just makes it super easy to take payments. Now, of course, the more fans that you have, the more people you can get on your live streams, the better. So if you do want to learn more about how you can grow your following I have a free ebook that you can check out, which I'll link to in the video description. It's called The Music Promotion Blueprint. It's 100% free, so just go ahead and click the link to get access to that now. And I also have a program called Music Promotion Machine, which is a series of step-by-step videos. It's something like 50 videos or something in there, but it's really in-depth, step-by-step instruction on how you can set up a fully automated system to grow your fan base on autopilot. The videos walk you through every step of the process. I've made it as simple as I possibly can, and I've shown you exactly how you can set up the system to start getting new fans every single day. So if that's something that you're interested in, just go to musicpromotionmachine.com or click the link in the video description to get access now. All right, so I hope you found this video helpful. And if you're not already doing live streams, hopefully you see the value in doing live streams. We went over some ideas for content that you can post, how you can actually make money and monetize your live streams, and how you can easily take payments with PayPal.me. So I hope you found the video helpful. If you know any other musicians that you think should be doing live streams, please don't hesitate to share this video with them. If you have gotten some value out of this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section below. That really does help me to grow the channel. And if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe now and tick the little bell icon to be notified as soon as new videos are released. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.